Hello, my name is Parker Jones, and this is the scripture adding assignment. You'll see that I've added a few test ones here, but you'll see the books, the chapters, the verse, and you can put in notes. If we wanted to edit one of them, we can go in here and say it's actually verse 7, save it, and you'll see it changes to verse 7. You can just look at the details if you wanted, and then edit from there. You can also delete one. Say delete. Now there's only 3. You can also sort by book, or not sort, but filter by book. So we can go John, and we can just leave that blank and hit filter, and it only shows the John ones. We could also do that with First Nephi. And if we wanted to find a specific one, it only shows the one that says in the notes. So that's pretty much everything. Oh, and you can also just add a new scripture. So we can go okay, create, and there you go, right there. And you'll see it also adds it to the list of things to be chosen. So that is it.